Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one important entry question, that is, what is the difference between HashSet and TreeSet in Java? Both HashSet and TreeSet are from set interface, and the major difference is so these three differences we can find it, and we're going to discuss also when to use HashSet, when to use TreeSet classes, right? Okay, let's check the differences. Hashset is unordered collection of unique elements, and treeset is sorted collection of unique elements, right? Both will not allow duplicate values, but only one difference is this one is unordered. Whatever the order we will insert the same order it will just get it printed actually. Whereas treeset it is a sorted order collection of elements actually. Even though we enter some unordered, it will go and sort it actually. That is the beauty of using treeset actually. And HashSet allows null values, whereas TreeSet does not allow null values. This is another difference. And coming to the HashSet time complexity, we go off 1, so it is fast actually. TreeSet time complexity is we go off log n, so it is slow actually. And when to use HashSet, when to use TreeSet is, if you want to just insert in like any order, right? The objects or integers, any values, then we go for HashSet. And if you want to insert same order some order some any ordered actually, then we go for TreeSet class, right? And another thing is if you want to go for any object references null values, if you want to allow, then we go for HashSet. And it don't want to insert any null values, then we will prefer to use TreeSet class. Let's check all these differences in Eclipse tool. For that I am going to create new class called, okay, so HashSet demo. See here, HashSet demo, right? Let's maximize the screen and just remove the comments, and let's define the the set interface, right? So here I want to insert some integer values, right? So set, right, is the reference, and then new HashSet. Okay, now what I am doing is just import the respective classes here and reset also. Now add the elements. Set dot add, right, integer. Okay, so now let's into 10 is my first element. I am going to insert it. Let's copy this and let's insert four objects. Okay, so now 10, okay, 30, and then 20, okay, and then 40. Okay, if you want to just loop through all these elements, like you can use advanced for loop, right? Integer, this is the best way. Okay, integer values. Okay, now you are just referencing this pointing, right, the set values, print it. Now unordered, okay, HashSet values. Okay, just message, I'm just printing it. Now you can print just values. Let's check the output. See here, 20, 40, 10, and then 30. It will get instead unordered actually. That is the drawback of using HashSet actually. And check the same for TreeSet also. Okay, this TreeSet, right? Okay, now what I am doing is set of integer, same thing. I am just going to insert it. Now instead of the set, right, set to, you can use it. Okay, new TreeSet. Okay, new TreeSet. Similarly, I'm also just importing TreeSet class here, and set to, right, is the reference. Now I'm going to add some objects, similar objects I'm going to add it. See here, 10, right, and then four objects you can insert it here. So 30, and then you know 40 or 20 you can give it. Last one you can give 40. Okay, now I'm just going to print it, right? So loop through it, integer of values 2. Just give some reference, right? Values 2. Now set 2 is the reference. I'm just looping through. Just here, print the same values. This is ordered, okay? Tree set values, okay? Values, right? Here you just print it. Set is values 2. Let's check the output. See, this one is 10. Okay, just give the some space here. This is ordered, right? See, 10, 20, 30, 40. But we inserted like, 10, 30, 20, 40, right? Which is unordered. But it has the preset class has sorted, right? This is another beauty of using, preset actually. And check the another difference. For example, if I am to want to add set dot, add, right? Add of integer, I want to add some null values. It will allow. Okay. Okay, so the hash set will allow null values. See, the null also gets printed. Okay, so now if you use the same thing, set to dot add of null, let's see what is the output. Okay, there is no compile time error. And check like, see, we will get like, null pointer exception. And like, with respect to the tree set, this is the like, the difference between hash set and tree set actually. Let's summarize it. Okay, so when to use HashSet, when to use TreeSet is if you want to allow like the null values, then we go for like HashSet. If we want to put the objects like in order, then we go for TreeSet. Okay, and if you want to allow like so the unordered collection of elements or objects, then we go for HashSet. Which is if we want to go for ordered collection of objects or elements, then we go for TreeSet. And first one is like see here TreeSet is HashSet is faster actually compared to the TreeSet. Okay, this is all about today's video. If you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And in next video, we'll come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.